Hi guys. Finally got to meet with Kyle.
Yeah, finally together.
We're busy boys.
Too busy.
But today we're going to have some fun with Kyle's Mk1 Escort. She is. She's a beaut.
Yep.
She's a beaut. So today's task is, Kyle will demonstrate with his elbow.
This wing, when you get in a bit of a hairy moment, your elbow gets caught in here or inside there. So we're going to cut this off. That's what's happening.
Yeah, we're gonna. I'm gonna mark around Kyle's arm, trim it off, TIG weld on some alley bead again, and then somehow modify the covers because I'm a dab hand on the sewing machine.
Yeah.
Right, so that's all marked up.
Yep.
Get this tripod up. When Kyle's on full anger elbow,
Yep.
we've marked a couple of inches back from his arm,
Which is there.
which is about there. We're going to trim this off, then we're going to find, I don't know, something nice and round to make a nice smooth edge starting from, you know, a half-inch back sort of thing. So there's a smooth radius, and then we will TIG weld on the new bead basically. First we've got to make a template. So we're going to make a template out of card, and then we can transfer that onto all the other wings of the seats. Thank fuck. Alright,
Yeah.
we're back in the garage. Seats are here. We're just going to get marking and cutting next. This covers off.
Cut that off. Yeah.
Let's get to it. Right, so plan is weld the bead on, then hopefully it's still hot from welding to curve it around that bend, a few tacks down, and then start hammering the end round, chop the bit off so it finally sits like that, and then buzz it all up. Firstly though, we've got to acetone everything, make sure it's nice and clean for TIG welding. So just to show you why you need to acetone everything, these are clean rods, never been used. Look how dirty they are. Even if you think your alley's clean, it's probably not. So, acetone everything, absolutely everything.
That's one wing done. That's a tidy bit of welding there, Simon. Time to do the rest.
All 4 wings cut, modified. So next port of call is the seat covers. So Carl's just getting the foam out.
Yeah, I'm just carefully peeling this off so we can re-glue it back on.
And then what we're going to do is mark that shape onto that, stitch it twice, cut the excess off, and we're good to go. You ain't a real man unless you know how to use a sewing machine.
Right, let's go test fit the seat covers. Like so. I still need to go buy some spray for the foam. For now, get a general idea. Oh yes. Oh, it's so much better.
Well, thanks guys for watching another instalment of Cars with Friends. Stay tuned for more car action, some bike. Yeah, just to address one thing, we can't always meet up to do some videos. So there's going to be a lot of individual ones. We're both busy boys. Carl's got a business to run.
Yeah, I'm flat out working, Simon's flat out working. But we're going to do as many as we can together as possible. There's going to be loads of individual ones, loads of different content.
I'll just cut it.